Hello dear students, today we will discuss about the project Cybersecurity Cyber 4CA. Today our guest is Hayumjon Kujamatov. He is the project coordinator of this project, and Abdul Salamov Akmalbek. What do you think? What were the main challenges this program in the developing cybersecurity in Central Asia?
Hello everyone, my name is Akmalbek Abdusalamov. I am a professor of Artificial Intelligence Department, Tashkent University of Information Technology. In this program mostly focused on cyber education at university, mostly in Central Asia, how to apply Europe education system, international cyber education system. You ask the question, what kind of challenges exist in these days? Most of the nowadays, in digitalization in world is one of the most issue is cyber education. The people or students not aware of what is cyber, how to protect cyber crimes or cyber attacks. So one of the main goal of in this program is educating the students, mostly graduate students, about how to defend them from cyber attacks, how to affect this kind of education system in after analyzing between Europe countries and Central Asia universities.
How do you think Cyber 4CA programs different from other educational programs and IT programs? What is it different?
Okay, one of the main differences between IT and other IT projects with cyber in this Cyber 4 project is it's first time we are trying to apply this kind of project in Central Asia for graduate students. One of the second differences between other IT projects, it's here in this project involved many AI experts, AI analyzers. So we are first we are analyzing how to apply, what kind of artificial intelligence approach to apply in cyber education systems. And after analyzing, we are going to successfully use AI applications to this cyber education program for graduate students in this around this project, applying AI tools or applications to cyber education system.
How will cybersecurity programs help to the region, help to the Central Asia in long term, in the future?
In first step, we are going to open some new modern laboratories or some data centers between seven universities in different Central Asia countries. Later, we are going to apply with other universities as well, which is the main goal of this project is first educate the students what is cybersecurity. What kind of cyber security technologies or tools exist in these days, and if we successfully educate the students or people, they can be clearly aware of cyber security attacks or threats like fraud detection. Right nowadays is one of the widely used crime in bank systems. In transactions, so because of people or students is not aware like this kind of technologies. So in later, nowadays is currently 3 universities involved in this project, but after successfully adopting this project in 3 universities, we are going to increase number of students in Uzbekistan up to at least around 20 universities, right? To educate their students also to apply this graduate program in their universities also to improve their cybersecurity education or knowledge or skills.
Good. What are the main risks will affect to the development of this program?
I think nowadays we have not any risk because we have good partners from European country. We have 4 partners from European countries, from Italy, from Belgium, Spain and Romania. They are very good specialists during this cybersecurity, and also they have this type of cybersecurity undergraduate and graduate also PhD program. Our main task to transfer their skills, best practice to Central Asia. Therefore, I think we have not any risk to open cybersecurity study program. We have only one risk, for example, to enrollment students, for example. If we organize to enrollment students, because nowadays lots of students don't know about the cybersecurity study programs about. We need to share our experience, we need to dissemination our new study programs. I think after then we can enrollment all students to our new study programs. Therefore, I think we have not any risk nowadays to open cybersecurity study program.
And what do you think if master's program students also studied and they change their mind and go to the Europe, use this education? Is it a risk or not?
Okay, I think one important part of the project, we have industry partners, and also we have 3 ministers from 3 countries: Minister of Digital Technology from Uzbekistan, Minister of Higher Education from Uzbekistan, and also Minister of Higher Education from Kyrgyzstan and also Kazakhstan. And also we have 2 lead industry partners in the several countries. I think we will transfer European best practice to Central Asia, and also our students can teach best practice, and also I think they can apply to PhD, for example, doctoral degree to, and also maybe we are planning to open doctoral degree to Central Asia cybersecurity. Maybe they can apply to postdoctoral European countries, because our whole study program will be in European standards. Therefore, I think they can apply all of them to European countries, top university. As I said, our European partners are working top university from top university. Therefore, I think they have not any problem to apply to win any scholarship, some scholarship from European countries, I think.
Yes, it's the main goal of today's workshop and conference also. In this workshop, we saw several presentations today, which is presented by Euro partners. Our main aim is not directly import Europe cyber education to Central Asia. We first see what kind of achievements they achieved so far, and we analyze their achievement good output results, and only we import some successful part of this experience to Central Asia. Not all of them copy. So in this today's conference in international in this university is very helpful to listen their knowledge, to exchange our ideas, to share each others. So after see their presentations, we are going to select, we are going to gather only important part of their experience, not whole part to education system.
And how do you measure the success of this project?
During this project, we are planning to create new courses. So first of all, as I said, we are planning to open new master degree. We are planning to open we are planning to create new modern laboratories and also centers for teachers, for students. We have some trainings in European country. Central Asia professors will go to Central University to training. After training, they come to their country and also they teach their professors, students, training to trainers. It's been many achievement of the project, and also we are planning to create society. All Central Asia students, professors can take all news, all information, all new courses, something. This society. Therefore, I think this is enough for achievement for our project.
You also mentioned you are partners with educational ministry, and I want to ask, in future, is it possible change your master program to bachelor or school program for education, for literacy, digital literacy for the kids, for the students?
Yes, you are right. As I said, we included Minister of Higher Education, all of the country. They can help to change step by step all our curriculum, study programs. It's their main task during the project.
It's our final question. If Cyber4CA project will be successful, we believe it will be successful. What will change in the Central Asia? What will change in your country, in Uzbekistan, in Kazakhstan? And will support government next 5-10 years? What do you think?
And now, as I mentioned maybe earlier, nowadays is a big problem, big issue is not enough cybersecurity knowledge in people. For these reasons, there are many focusing some cyber attacks or cyber crimes. For this, based on this program, we said, right, we educate the students. We prepare some teaching candidates later. So we can educate within university, but later we can increase our teaching, boundary to other ages, like elderly or younger generation or other people. And then finally, our country's cybersecurity literacy will be significantly increased. Then they can protect themselves within different types of cyber attacks, like cyber crimes or phishing. Right nowadays, phishing or other types of some bank system, like as I said. So we can split our program to section, like preparing or organizing teaching stuffs for cybersecurity education. Second one is increasing cybersecurity skills, knowledge and literacy of students as well.
Therefore, this project is important for Central Asia.
Yes. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your insights. Today we discuss about project Cyber4CA with our professors. And thank you for your attention. Goodbye.